Okay, y'all. Wait a minute. I'm on my way. Of course, I'm late. But I don't really need a whole lot of stuff. I'm just really going in here to see what I could find on the 75% tables, if anything. But before I get started, matter of fact, let me start over. Good morning. Happy semi-annual sale day. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, shout out to you. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all my riders, all the people who watch all of my videos. No matter what your girl put out, you watching. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, I keep posting. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Also, y'all, yay, 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 yay. Today is day one of semi-annual sale. Sorry for clapping my hands, because I know sometimes they could be loud if you have headphones on. But let me put my car in park. But today is the first day of semi-annual sale. Yes, yes, yes. Your girl is running late, but I don't think none of my stores opened up early according to their website. It looked like everything is opening up at either 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. And of course, right now it's 10 o'clock. Sorry if y'all hear the air, but it's hot, like real hot. It's like 84 degrees here. And it's 10 o'clock. But, oh, dang, somebody behind me. I'm trying my best to stay with the plan. Stick with the plan. 75% candles, coconut, lime, body care. I'm trying my best to stick with my plan. We're gonna see how that works. Let's get to the store. Let's get to the store because we're already late. Let's go. Just made it to the store, and that's, what time is it? It's basically 10:30. So we're gonna see if it's a line. Oh no, it's not a line. Doesn't look like it's a line. So we're gonna see what we can find. Hopefully we'll find some goodies. Actually look like the store is almost empty, to be honest. But we're gonna see what we can find. See, look, y'all. Bummer, bummer, bummer. Did everything I wasn't supposed to do, but when I get back to the car, I will most definitely show y'all the damage. Oh my God, y'all. I'm getting back in line. Oh, no. Okay, y'all. He found more candles in the back, so buying more candles. And like I told y'all, if I find the carrot cake candle, I was probably gonna buy them all, but I'm going to buy a few. Look at my auntie up in here spending money. Look who I spot up in here, y'all. My auntie. She up in here doing some shopping too. She got some goodies too. Okay, y'all. I'm finally out the store and I did everything that I said I wasn't gonna do. Oh my goodness. But I'm headed to the car. Okay, y'all. I'm finna go to store number 2 to see what they got. Hopefully they have some good stuff, but if they don't have any 75% candles, I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm not buying nothing. So let's see what they got. I have to wait. Do y'all have any 75% candles?
Last time I checked, we had a few, but that was a while ago.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in here and see if they got any candles. If they don't, then I'm going to not buy none. Okay, thank you. Okay, y'all, I'm at home, just made it home. Let me see, what am I gonna show y'all first? Let's see, let's do the body care first and then we'll do candles after. Okay, let's get to the 50% items that I bought. And y'all know I said I was not gonna buy any body care stuff, but I end up buying a few body care items, which I'm kind of pissed because I didn't stick to the plan, but we never do. Also, I'm happy that I did get a late start because I was able to look at some Instagram posts to see exactly what to look for in the stores. So yes, I missed out on some of the 75% candles, but the upside about it was I could see what to look for, and I actually found a lot of 75% candles. So let's get to the body care, the 50% stuff. I decided to get this cherry limeade, which is new for semi-annual sale, I believe. This is juicy red cherries, candy lime, sparkling citrus soda. It actually smells really good. And y'all know lately I have been really loving lime. This actually smells really, really good. Probably should have got 2, but this smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I really like this. And y'all know I usually don't go for cherries, but to me, I get more of the lime versus the cherries. That's what that looked like. The next item I got was strawberry soda. Strawberry soda is fresh strawberries, bubbly seltzer, and crushed ice. This is good. This is like just cherries. I could be one and done with this one. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is okay. One and done will suit me fine. The next, since everybody been talking about this, I said, what the heck, I might as well go ahead and get it and try it. Boardwalk taffy. Everybody's been talking about this. No, I did not get it on the last, when it first came out. I did not get it because I was not interested in it. But is sugar, berries, and vanilla. I was not interested in this at all, to be honest. But since everybody kept on talking about it, y'all made me buy it. Y'all made me do it. It actually smells really good. Very sugary. Very sweet, but it kind of comes off like and I bought the body cream. It comes off like a bubble bath that I've had before. Yeah, it's okay. I could be one and done. Yeah, it's okay for me. Okay, now my 75% items I got. Y'all know I was going to get the coconut lime. I've been talking about it ever since I've been talking about semi-annual sale. I said that this will be the only body care that I get. Crazy part about it is yesterday online it was 50%, and I did order it. So when I do get that order, I will be going back in to get a price adjustment because these are 75%. So more, yeah, I'm going to get my price adjustment. So yeah, so as y'all do know, this is coconut cream, lime, and salted salt water, whatever that is. So yeah, I really wanted to try this collection. Yeah, I like it. I don't know why, I just really been going crazy for the lime scented whatever. It doesn't matter. I've been going crazy for lime. I don't know why. Also, I got this, and y'all know I don't even usually buy fragrance mist, and I might get this to my daughter actually. The margarita cupcake. Most definitely was looking at Tina Marie video and she was talking about this, so I decided to just grab one just to see what it's like. Yeah, it's not bad. Very citrus. Smell like oranges. No scent notes though, so I can't tell you what the scent is. No scent notes. So I did get that. Margarita cupcakes, 75%. Also, they had dry hand relief. So I did grab 2 of those, 75%. Yes. Of course, y'all can't see it because of the glare. There we go. Decided to grab 2. And then aromatherapy, 75%. They had these, the what is it? Face and body mask in water, in earth and fire. Got those too because I have not tried these. I actually was going to skip, but since they were 75%, I said why not try them. And the last body care items I got was Love. This is a moisturizing body wash in Love, and you know it's strawberry. It's rose and vanilla. Rose and vanilla body wash, 75% off. Shocking, because this is the new packaging. So be on the lookout for the old package. For as the candles, those might be 75% off. So if you come across the old packaging for the 3 wick candles, they might be 75% off. So if you see them, price check it just to make sure. Also, when you go to the store, just ask them for some lids, just in case you buy some of those new candles and they need lids. You might as well grab a few because you never know. You might go to another store and they don't have any lids. So anytime you go to the store, maybe ask for maybe 2, 4, whatever. So I decided to grab 4 black lids. So yeah. Candles, 75% candles. 75% off candles. I am hot and sweating. Now, yeah, I know I got a late start. So the very first store I went to, at first they only had 1 candle, which was sweet cranberry pie. 75% off sweet cranberry pie. So you know your girl had to grab it because this is actually a really good candle, and I think I only have 2. So yeah, I really wish I could find those other ones in this same collection, but no luck. At the same store I had already checked out, I was getting ready to leave the store, and he came out with more 75% candles. I'm like, oh my God, I thought I was done. When you think you're done, they pull you right back in. So he had the Easter candles. Marshmallow fluff, I got 2. He had the Tutti Frutti candle as well, I got 2. And they had the carrot cake, the one that everybody is probably looking for, carrot cake. I got 2, even though I don't need any more, and I said I wasn't going to buy any more, but this is so good I couldn't pass it up. So yeah, I just grabbed 2. He had tons, so I grabbed 2 of each. And y'all do know, over when these first came out, I only bought, I think, 1. So now I have 2, and plus I have 2 from last year. And if y'all do see this candle is actually really nice. It could be a really good candle that you blend with other candles, that you burn with other candles, I should say, because sometimes the marshmallow fluff candle or any vanilla scented candle could throw soft or have a light throw. So these candles are really good to get to burn with other candles, just to make a unique scent. So that's the reason why I decided to just go ahead and grab them. I actually really feel like I should have got 3, but whatever. So then at my second store is where I found more candles. I got, what is this, white velvet coconut. I grabbed 2 because that's all they had. And I decided to grab winter, and I actually do not own this candle, so I'm actually glad to find this one. So yeah, winter, I got 2 because that's all they had. Did I? No, I think they had 4. Kind of wish I had bought 3 because this smells really, really good. Really, really good. Oh my gosh, love it. Whitewood, pine needles, clementine, clove. This smells good. This is my first time actually smelling this candle. All these other ones is like backups. First time buying this. This is good. This is good. This is actually probably something you could burn now, because I'm getting more of the citrus note, more of the clementine versus the pine needles and clove. I don't know. Yeah, this smells really good. I should have bought 3. That's it, y'all. That's all I got. That's all I got so far. Leave in the comments, let me know what were your finds, things that you wasn't really planning on buying and you end up buying it just because it was either 75% or you was just so shocked to find it. Leave that at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and leave me some comments, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.